Hashtag show off.
Hey, why are you laughing? Hashtag you're just jealous.
Yes, okay, jokes aside, let's begin our adventure and meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America. Let's go! Look, we are driving down to the port, then taking a boat ride down the Tambopata River. Here you might see the footprints of a jaguar, or even spot a red howler. Everyone, look around you! You are one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, right here in the Peruvian Amazon. Everyone, welcome to Chuncho Macaw Playland, where hundreds of birds gather every day to feast on clay. Did you know this clay is one of the largest of its kind in the world?
That's right, now ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Ferrari and Lambo, our beautiful Scarlet McCoys. Now, of course, like them, we have a very sharp and pointy bill, which means they can sometimes eat unripe fruits. Now, these unripe fruits may contain toxins that are harmful to these birds. However, by licking clay, it actually helps to neutralize it. Now, clay also has minerals such as sodium, which can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right?
Yes, that means no upset tummies for Lambo and Ferrari. It looks like they enjoyed this salty feast. Let's give them a big hand, everyone.
I still want to see more birds. So let's not stop. Fly with me to Southeast Asia. Go! And stop right here.
Everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise, right here in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 Indian species. Wow, look at that! You want to see more?
Yes, come on.
Okay.
You're lying to me. Where is it? More birds.
Okay. Since you want to see more birds, we'll invite some special friends of the park. Everyone keep your eyes up to your left and right. Here they come. Hello there. Right here with me, I have Higgins, our green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the macaw family. And Higgins here is 10 years old.
And right here with me, we have CK, a Moroccan cockatoo. Now, Moroccan cockatoos, they can be found in the eastern part of Indonesia. Now, these birds, they are also known as the salmon-crested cockatoos because of the pink crest on top of their heads.
Now, parents, they mate for life and living devoted parents. They look for abandoned tree cavities and tree holes like this one to build their nest.
That's right. Now, speaking of nests, did you know they make use of materials such as dried leaves, bark, and even twigs like this? Then they will drop it inside the nest. But if the cavity is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge it. So what are we waiting for? Let's see the birds in action. Let's go, singing. Alright, Higgins, your turn. There we go. Come, let's get this started, shall we? You gonna put this all the way inside? Great job.
Now, if you want to see what it looks like from the inside, take a look at the screen.
The screen, who do we have?
Oh, Higgins!
Hello there, Higgins.
It's so big.
Okay, let's see if we have CK as well. Hey, CK, talk. Hang on, okay, wait. Anybody seen a rooster anywhere? A rooster? Oh, Genevieve, look! I found a rooster up on the screen.
Yomi,
Yeah?
that's not your rooster.
Then, where is it?
Your rooster is here.
Genevieve, no. That is an Amazon parrot. That's not a rooster.
Are you sure? How about I show you?
Okay, let's see.
Alright, would you show Yomi here how you make the sound of a rooster?
Oh.
See what I mean? The rooster.
Okay, now I know what you mean. You should have just said the rooster.
Everyone meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Now before Quincy here says anything else, he would like to welcome all of you. Quincy? Did you all hear that? Quincy said, welcome to Parrot's Paradise. Let's hear this one more time, shall we? Quincy? Come on, would you like to welcome them? Very good. Give us that. So we heard Quincy make the sound of a rooster earlier. Now how about a cat? A very fierce cat right there. Now let's try something different. A high-tech sound. The ringing telephone. Let's give a big hand to Quincy, everyone!
Now, parrots, they often copy sounds made by their family members. So when you hear these birds imitate human sounds, they are basically mimicking what they hear around them.
That's right, and in this case, Quincy and Amigo's families are our Mandai staff.
Hello, Mandai staff. Alright, so we've got a yellow-naped Amazon parrot right over here. Let's see what he can say. Okay? Can you say hello? Ah, nice and sweet hello. But listen up because he's gonna tell you his name. Oh, did you catch that? Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, can you tell everyone here what's his name? Amigo is his name. Alright, Amigo. There's so many of them today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? Oh, Amigo is asking how are you? So how's everyone feeling today? Good? That is very nice to hear. So Amigo, he also has a special talent. He can sing the birthday song. Yes, that's right. So is there anyone celebrating your birthday today? Raise up your hands. Any birthdays? Alright, we've got quite a few birthdays in the crowd. Okay, you know what? For those of you who are celebrating your birthdays, this special song goes out to you. Amigo, are you ready? There we go, birthday song by Amigo, and I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
Yes, but hold on, everyone. Quincy here is 1 in 10,000, and Amigo 1 in a million. What you usually get as a pet will be a bird, just like Big John.
Hi, Big John. Hi, Big John.
Hello. So, please think twice. Actually, think 100 times before you get yourself a pet parrot. And with that, let's give a big hand to Quincy and Amigo of Amazon Parrots.
Now each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being sold into the pet trade. As a result, many of them are now critically endangered. Amazon parrots, they can live up to 50 years in captivity, and that is a lifetime commitment. Now some of you may think that they would make great pets
right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on back to Bird Paradise where you can see all these beautiful birds instead?
Yes, very well said by Genevieve. I still want to see more birds. So, can you tell us what's next?
Up next, we are going to meet an iconic species that can be found right here in Singapore. Okay, I'm talking about the Oriental Pine Hornbill.
Ah, hello there.
Everyone meet Olympia. Now Olympia here is going to impress all of us by flying through 3 colorful hoops. Now for that, I'll need the help of those given the red stickers before the show. If you were given a red sticker, please make your way on stage. Alright, I see 1. We have 2 more given the red stickers. Alright, please watch your step as you enter the stage, alright? Alright then, now we have all 3 volunteers. Now while they're getting ready, let me tell you a heartwarming story about Olivia. Olivia here fell out of her nest as a chick and hurt her spine. In the wild, she would not have survived. But right here at Bird Paradise, she was nursed back to health and now has a safe and permanent home with us. Alright, looks like there's some final adjustments. Volunteers, remember to hold your hooks steady. Do not move. And of course, big smiles. Olivia, whenever you're ready. Can we sing that one more time? One more time? Alright, Olivia. Go ahead, Olivia. Wow! That's so amazing, everyone. Let's give a big hand to our volunteers and of course Olivia, Oriental Pine Hornbill. Thank you so much for your participation. Please watch your step as you exit the stage. Thank you. Alright, over to you, Yogi.
Alright, now let me share with you some fun facts about hornbills. Now, did you know in general you can only find hornbills in 2 continents of the world, Africa and Asia. And also, take a closer look at Olivia's head. Can you see the very distinctive feature at the top? Now that is known as a
shorten your camera.
Now the cost can sometimes range from a small ridge to even big and brightly colored.
Is there anything else?
Of course. Now I want to talk about their feet. So hornbills, they are great hoppers. So Olivia, you want to show off your hopping skills? Let's go. Ah, look at that. Really cute top. The trainer is hopping as well. Good job. Alright. And also these birds, they have 3 toes up front and a very broad sole. Now this helps the birds to find strength and stability when they are hopping up and down branches in the forest. Now anything from you, Genevieve?
Oh yes, let me tell you about their tongues. Like hornbills, they have short tongues, but they use these tongues to toss fruit back into their mouth. They also learn to catch their prey in mid-flight. Now we're gonna have Olivia demonstrate that for us today. Olivia, are you ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, up it goes. Whoa! Everyone, let's give a big hand to Olivia. Oriental Pine Hornbill, of course, our trainers. Thank you.
So speaking of hornbills, did you know they have a very unusual nesting behavior? In the wild, they love to nest in tree cavities.